Alright, so this is a grocery haul. I got some cantaloupe, some blueberries, some strawberries, some shredded lettuce, some celery, some green onions, some zucchini, bell peppers, some romaine lettuce, some what is Santa Fe salad kit, oranges, apples, and then some lettuce. So that's my little produce section. So usually when I come back from the grocery store, I need to clean the kitchen. Real life. So I got popsicles. We like popsicles around here. And then I got some bags. I thought these were the same, but one is tie up and one is reclosable. I just threw them in the buggy and didn't really pay attention. Turkey sausage, some noodles, our cereal that we normally get. I got some pork chops, some turkey, ground turkey, some iced coffee, some coffee creamer, some baked beans, 2 things of this cappuccino, biscuits, rice. Then I got ground beef, 3 things of ground beef, a roast. I got this cut up beef and then some steaks. Then I got some hash browns, some chicken tenderloins and some garlic bread, some frozen chicken, what is this? Frozen chicken thighs, some mac and cheese, some bacon, corn dogs, tilapia shrimp, some corn, some milk, and some potatoes. So here's an overview of my monthly pickup. Probably will be picking up stuff. We have stuff here, but this is like the stuff that we really needed to replenish with. So that's my haul.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Hi guys, this is a video to get you motivated to clean this weekend. I am going to be cleaning myself this weekend. I'm going to be doing some more laundry. I've been washing clothes, you guys. So if you need some motivation to get some stuff done this Friday going into your weekend, I am just going to be cleaning my kitchen and cleaning my living room. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you are having a good day. I'm just, doing what I do. Just doing what I gotta do. Like we're all doing. Making it day by day. But, I'm going to continue to clean in this video. And I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So I always forget to introduce myself. My name is Ivy. I am a mom of 4 older kids. I've been married for 21 years. And on my channel you will see cooking, cleaning, hauls, a little bit of everything. I've decided to just do whatever I want to do. So that's why you're seeing whatever on my channel again. With everything that's been going on in my life and my family and everything, trying to manage 3 channels, 2 channels, it's just too much for me right now. So this is what you get. If you like it, watch it. If you don't like it, you can click out of that video and watch one that you like. There will be plenty of cleaning motivation on this video, on this channel. So, about to say video. There will be plenty of hauls on this channel. There will be some more styles from my closet on this channel. So stay tuned and thank you for your support. I really appreciate it so much. Alright.
4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So today it's supposed to be like 80 degrees here in Missouri. So since it's going to be sunny and beautiful today, if you're still watching, leave me some sun emojis. I like to do this. I got this from other YouTubers, but this lets you know who's watching, who's engaging. So leave me some sun emojis if you're still here watching. And also let me know in the comments what the weather is like where you are today or whenever you watch this video.
4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room.
So I'm using my pink grapefruit from Method. I need to go to Lowe's and stock up on my Method products because I get my Method products from Lowe's. When the pandemic hit and everybody was going to Walmart and getting all the supplies and the disinfectant and stuff, I started going to Lowe's and started finding cleaning products there. Even like my dish pots and stuff, it's cheaper at the Lowe's here. So I really like the Method products, but I found them at Lowe's. So if you ever are looking for these products and can't find them, check out Lowe's.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly.
So I'm folding some more laundry, and like I said, I have a lot to do this weekend. I'm going to be washing some more clothes and folding some more clothes. I'm getting caught up on laundry. But thank you guys for watching. If you watched this full video, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you are new here, if you're an oldie but goodie, thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a very blessed weekend. Bye-bye.